Hello?
Hey guys, welcome back to That's How We Get It Right or Get Going, and today I'm back with another video. And as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be redecorating my boring room. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay, we're gonna take this thing down. I made this sophomore year. Okay, so we're about to put this tapestry up. I hate the color. It's supposed to be light pink. This is not light pink, unless I'm colorblind. Okay, so now we're about to put the LED lights up. This was $55, I think, and this is a 65 feet one, so cute. Oh, look at the remote. So nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it has 4 of these. Okay, y'all, I gotta read the instructions because I'm a little slow and I don't want to mess nothing up. Okay, I need a chair because I'm not super Roman and I can't clean all the walls. I'm not tall enough, so I'm gonna get a chair. I just fall forward. Okay, so y'all, I finally figured out how to put the LED lights up. So I'm gonna start putting them on the wall. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm putting up all the LED lights. Okay, y'all, I just finished putting up all the LED lights. I only used 3 of them out of the 4. And don't mind my appearance, I look really crazy right now. Like, my hair, not happening, honey. So let's try it out. Okay, now I got LED lights. Okay, now I got LED lights. Okay, so now I'm going to put my fairy lights on. So I'm gonna keep it on blue. My fairy lights right here. And you. Okay, so now I'm just putting the fairy lights up. And you did it right from the start. Y'all, this thing is low-key annoying. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I'm done with these fairy lights, cause this ain't it at all. I'm sweaty. It's been all day. Okay, so I finally got the fairy lights up. It has this big old mess right here, but I have to figure out how to clean that up because it don't look good like that. So let's try it out. It's cute. You could go crazy like that, but that look, that's gonna get somebody epilepsy or seizure. More 3. Oh wait, this remote is controlling this also, so my lights is changing. What the heck? It's a whole vibe in here right now. Hey guys, so it's day 2 of redoing my room. So I just got my pictures. I got like 82 pictures. So I'm going to be showing you guys the setup of how I want to do it on the wall. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so y'all, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is just a random picture of me. But I wish I could just like throw it onto the wall because now I have to like stick tape under it in order to place on the wall, but it looks really cute. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm taping it up. Done by me, of course. So cute, unique, different. Look at the shapes. It got a whole lot of smudges on it, but I guess that's alright. Yeah, we're gonna move on to the other side of the room. Okay, so I got this love sign from Amazon. I'm going to open it up. So this is what it looks like, really cute. I got these big pillows from JCPenney, $30 each. Yeah. So I went to like 5 different stores looking for pink because I wanted like a pink, a white, and other colors, but I wasn't finding any other color but white that looks good. So I got some white ones. They're all white and this one has sparkles on it. Yeah, they're really big. These are so cute. This one was the one in the back. The first one I showed you guys, it was on sale for $6. Before it was $40. I got it for $6. I had to double check if that was the right price. So stay tuned for the final tour. It's gonna happen in 3, 2. So that's it for today's video. I know I looked a mess throughout the whole video, but that's okay. So if you guys did like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell for more notifications from me. And also comment down below other videos you guys would love to see from me. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Bye. Love you guys.